Find out how to make your first big luxury towel purchase. Wrapping up in a luxuriously plush towel after a hot bath is comparable to none. A cozy selection of towels in the bathroom is essential for any home to delight both you and any guests. There are many different towels available in the market. Deciding to buy that one variant can be difficult. One of the popular wholesale hotel towels manufacturers have come up with a vast assemblage of luxury towels for home that you can have a look at. Hence, glance below to know more about the tricks to choosing the perfect luxurious bath towel. 1. Always opt for 100% cotton towel. Whilst there are many other varieties and blends out there, cotton is still the best fiber for towels as it is exceptional at absorbing water. This wonder material can hold up to 27 times its own weight in liquid, and high quality raw materials are the key to luxury towels. 2. Egyptian cotton is the best choice for you. Egyptian cotton has the edge over other cotton varieties. The best